Hello, my name is Thomas Key, and I'm President and CEO of Stock Traders Daily. I'm going to tell you briefly what we do, and hopefully it will add value to you for the rest of your life. I provide a liquidity report, which combines my proprietary work on natural demand levels for assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate with stimulus to reach conclusions about how demand looks today and how it will change tomorrow. This liquidity observation is very powerful and it should be reviewed before anything else. The conclusion, basically, is to use strategies. Now, we've been using strategies forever. Stock Traders Daily was born in January of 2000 at the peak of the internet bubble, and we were forced to use proactive trading strategies from day one to survive. The notion of proactive trading strategies scares some people, but one of our strategies has on average only 12 trades every year, and the alerts for those trades come in advance. You have plenty of time to prepare, and almost anyone can use them. In fact, one of the strategies as well is used as an indicator and has been for the past 15 years. It is called our sentiment table. Our sentiment table can be used as an indicator of when to protect portfolios and when to leave portfolios exposed. This is an exceptional indicator that has been adapted into a strategy. We've been using it as an indicator for the past 15 years and as a strategy since 2015. We couple that with our strategic plan strategy. And our strategic plan strategy has an exceptional track record dating back to January of 2009, which was arguably the lows of the credit crisis. Since then, the S&P 500 has done exceptionally well, and our strategic plan strategy has kept in lockstep with the S&P 500 through the beginning of this year. However, something changed since then. The outperformance of our proactive trading strategies has started to shine again. The strategy is a proactive strategy that is capable of making money no matter where the market goes, and the market has gone up and the strategy has done well, but it hasn't outperformed the market because the market did extremely well too. Now that the market is faltering, the strategy is proving that it can make money when the market falls as well. And a material outperformance has already begun. We couple the macroeconomics that come from the investment rate and our liquidity reports into trading strategies that are both periodic and more active. And we believe in coupling the strategies together to achieve exceptional performance over time. That's what we do here at Stock Traders Daily. That's what we're going to provide to you. We're going to tell you what's happening, and we're going to tell you what to do about it by giving you strategies that have been proven to work. And those strategies are associated with alerts that are provided to you in advance. I hope you enjoy it.